Hi, my name is Caden here on Saboteur Force, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make pop darts in the theme of 4th of July because America, right? Anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, so in today's video you will need hot glue gun. Doesn't matter what temp of glue, just some glue gun. You need some poppets, of course, and your darts of choice. I'll be doing some Adventure Force off-brand, some suction tips, and Elite or the off-brand. So, to begin, you want to heat up your hot glue gun. I let this sit for a little bit, looped up to come out, so means we're good. You want to take a bag of poppets, and if you hear any pops in the background or fireworks going off in the background, it's America, so 4th of July, baby. Anyways, you want to open these. Might need some cutters too, I guess. I can't open these. Stupid. Oh boy, that scared me. Okay, well, so we'll start with this off-brand Adventure Force 1 or whatever it is, off-brand. But take your hot glue gun and just burn a hole straight through. Ooh, I burnt myself. That hurt. This hot glue gun is slightly broken, actually. I left it running all night long yesterday testing this out. So you probably will get better results. But you have a hole like this. You want to find a way to get rid of this, so you actually will need some scissors or clippers here. You don't have to. I just prefer to. Then kind of just want to seat it in there nicely. And then I just attached a little dot of hot glue just on one side. And then I set it somewhere, like in this duct tape, right here in the corner of the screen. Oh, I knocked it over to rest. Next, I'll show you a standard Elite dart or the off-brand one. But for this one, just like always, if it's an Elite dart, you should be able to burn a hole through here or just melt one through. I am just taking a little bit of time. But in a minute, here's the speed up. And you will ruin these darts here, so make sure you can part with some darts. Make sure they're yours, they're not your friends or your siblings, because you don't want to ruin their darts. But if that doesn't work, you can always just cut a piece out, like so. And just like this little edge here. And now, if you pull it off, you can have like a little holder for it. You then again want to take this, cut this off, or not, just something I like to do. Put it in here, leave that little compartment there, and put a dab of hot glue on the top. That was a June bug that just flew through the frame and landed on my Nerf gun over here in this box. Here, look at him. Look at this little thing. It's right there on the barrel. You know what? This thing's broken. Die. It's broken. I wouldn't advise doing that to your actual blasters. Oh, I knocked this over in the process, but I think it seemed to still stick. We're good here. And then finally, we'll do some suction tip darts. If you want to, ruin your old suction tip darts from way back in the day, I still have some. But again, cut this off here. No burning are required. I find it easiest to pop it in there. Oops. Oh my. And just attach it with a dab of hot glue right there. And likewise on the other side, just so you know it'll stay on and won't fly off and scare you. I've done this so many times and scared myself and peed my pants and whatnot. Why do I have so many spray paint cups here? I have like 5. That's just the ones that I can grab. Like the rest are around my desk. I need to clean this thing up. It's messy. But I have so many projects going on, so we'll leave those to dry. But in the meantime, let me grab a gun that can shoot these. Oh, okay. I have retrieved one Fire Strike. Isn't modded or anything, it doesn't have to be. I have tried with modded things, such as my modded Strife right here. doesn't sound modded, but it is. Trust me, it's modded. Change the motors out with some motors and put some lipos on it. I'm pretty cool. But as always, you want to unplug your hot glue gun after you're done using it because you don't want to leave it running overnight like I did. So I'm going to set this off to a side. And now our dart should be dried. I guess we'll start with this one first here. I do want to add in a disclaimer. Do not shoot anyone with these. These hurt. They hurt a lot. It's like a little mini explosion. Like you can see when I throw on the ground, it makes a little pop. It's not good. Don't throw them at people. Anyways, that's my disclaimer. Back to the video. And let's just see if... Sorry, that's my dog walking around in the background, but let's just see if it'll pop. And it did. I think this thing was in my broken pile for a reason. It has some catching problems. But let's see if dart number 2 works. Yes. Now, be careful. This thing does leave the little like BBs and rocks that are left inside. But last one. And it works. I definitely say with the green one, the Adventure Force that I use, that one works the best. But that's really this entire video. So, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. That'll be the end of this video. So, this is me signing off.